REOLINK RLC-823S2 4K PTZ camera. 16x zoom and color night vision for total security. The REOLINK RLC-823S2 provides a top-tier security experience with 4K UHD resolution, offering crystal-clear images that standard cameras can't match. Whether it's bright daylight or the dead of night, the camera captures every detail in vibrant color, making it easier to identify people and objects. With its cutting-edge 16x optical zoom, you can get a close-up of distant targets without sacrificing image quality. The RLC-823S2's color night vision with infrared technology ensures that you can rely on this camera for full visibility 24/7. No other security system delivers this level of detail and clarity around the clock. Why settle for a limited view when you can have complete 360 degrees coverage? The RLC-823S2 gives you full panoramic surveillance with a 360 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt, ensuring that no area is left uncovered. Whether you're monitoring your front yard, driveway, or backyard, this camera has you fully covered. Its auto-tracking feature follows the movement of people, vehicles, or animals, automatically adjusting its focus to track activity. This means you won't have to manually adjust the camera or worry about missing crucial moments, making it an ideal choice for proactive security in larger areas. With the REOLINK RLC-823S2, nighttime security reaches a new level. The camera's color night vision mode, enhanced by built-in spotlights, ensures that you can see everything clearly, even in the darkest conditions. Unlike standard cameras that offer only black and white footage after dark, this camera provides vibrant color visuals at night, making it easier to identify intruders or assess any situation. The camera's infrared capabilities extend visibility up to 80 meters, so even in complete darkness, you'll have a clear, sharp image of everything within range. Nighttime monitoring has never been this detailed and reliable. Setting up the REOLINK RLC-823S2 is a breeze, thanks to its plug-and-play PO technology, which combines power and data transmission into a single cable. This means less clutter and quicker installation, without sacrificing reliability or performance. The camera's flexible storage options allow you to choose between storing footage on a local microSD card, up to 256 GB, for standalone use or opting for continuous 24/7 recording via REOLINK's NVR system. Additionally, you can store footage securely on an FTP server for extra protection. The camera gives you freedom and peace of mind, knowing your data is safe and accessible. The REOLINK RLC-823S2 is built to withstand the harshest conditions, making it the perfect outdoor security camera. With its IP66 weatherproof rating, the camera is resistant to rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, ensuring reliable performance year-round. Whether you're facing a storm, snow, or intense sunlight, this camera is ready to perform in any weather. The robust design ensures that it continues to operate effectively, no matter what Mother Nature throws its way. Get the REOLINK RLC-823S2 today and experience the next level of security with a powerful 4K UHD camera designed for all-weather protection, stunning night vision, and ultimate coverage. Secure your home with the best in surveillance technology, knowing you're investing in a durable and long-lasting solution.